All right. Hello again. This is Shania Young, and today I'm comparing district enrollment between Region 1 and Region 5 using SPSS. So to start off, the first thing that I will do, I will click on data. I'll click on select cases. I'll click, I'll take it from all cases and I'll click on if condition is satisfied. So I'll click on the if. I'll put region right here equals 1. So this just means we're about to just pull out everything from region 1. I press continue and I press OK. And then hold on one second. So yeah, this is just when I first played with it. So let's just disregard this. Okay. Now I will go to analyze. I will click on descriptive statistics. I'll click on frequencies. And then in my variable, I'll put enroll. I'll go to charts. I'll click on histograms and show normal curve on histograms. I'll press continue and okay. So here we go. Here's everything right. Come right here. All right, so we have our histogram for region 1. So after I have my histogram for region 1, and the for region 1, the histogram is not a perfect bell shape, and the data is skewed so that the normality assumption is not fully met. So that's what we have for our region 1. I go back to the data, click on select cases. I edit this right here and put region 5. I press continue. Okay. I go to analyze, descriptive statistics, click on frequencies again, enrollment charts, it's already there. So you just say okay, I say okay again. And now we have our histogram for region 5. Now, once I have for region 5, the histogram looks more like a bell shape, but it is not perfect either. So overall, the normality is not fully met. So however, I will still continue with the t-test as that is required. So for my t-test, I'll go to data, select cases. I'll click on all cases. I'll press OK. Then I will go to analyze. I will go to compare means and portions. I'll click on independent sample t-test. Now, for my test variable, I'll put enrollment right there. And for my group, I will click on region. I'll put that in my group. Now I will have to define the groups. So group 1 will be 1, group 2 will be 5. I will press continue and then I will click OK. So now we have our results for our t-test, which is shown right here. So now looking at the group statistically, Region 1 has 72 districts, and the mean of their enrollment will be in this box right here. That will be 2,353.75. And then looking at Region 5 has 23 districts. The mean of enrollment for them is 987.83. The mean for Region 1 has a higher enrollment than Region 5. And then next we will go to our samples in the t-test. Because the group has different vertices, I use the row right here where it says not equal variances not assumed. I'll use that row. So in that row, the t-value is 2.83. And then our p-value is 0.006. And because the p-value is less than 0.05, the result is significant. So I reject the null of the hypothesis. And this means that the real difference in enrollment, this means that it's a real difference in enrollment between Region 1 and Region 5. And the mean difference is 1,365.92 students. And then also then we will have the this so what that means was that Region 1 has about 1,366 more students than Range 5. That's on an average. And then when we go to our effect size, we look at the effect size of colon D is 0.9, sorry, 0.39. And with that, this is a small to medium effect. So that means that the difference is meaningful but not large. And so, coming to conclusion, Region 1 has a significantly higher district enrollment than Region 5. Even though the data was not perfectly normal, the t-test shows a difference between with a small to normal effect size. Thank you so much. Mm.